Have you ever stared at a chart, followed all the rules, and still felt like you were missing a huge piece of the puzzle? Well, today we're going to talk about how to solve that problem, how to move beyond just single signals and finally see the whole market picture using composite and multi-factor indicators.
If you've ever felt like the market is sending you totally mixed signals, you are not alone. It's a crazy complex environment out there, and trying to figure out what it's doing can feel like trying to crack a code with a key that changes every single day. And a huge part of that challenge, really the core of it, is that we're often stuck with a one-dimensional view. We're looking at just one tiny piece of a much, much bigger puzzle. Just think about our classic technical tools, right? The RSI, moving average, Bollinger Bands. They're all fantastic, but they're specialists. One tells you about the trend, another's all about momentum, and a third is focused on volatility. Each one gives you a valuable but ultimately very narrow slice of the story. This slide really shows you what I mean. On the left, with your single lens, you might be totally focused on the trend. But look to the right. That's the real world. You're completely missing what's happening with momentum, volatility, and volume. And to make really smart decisions, you've got to see the whole picture. So how do we get there? Well, the first big leap forward in analysis was when we started combining these individual signals into something way more powerful.
And that brings us to the composite indicator. It's a tool designed from the ground up to mash up multiple dimensions of the market, like trend and momentum, into a single, much more complete signal. This is really the first step toward getting that whole view we're looking for.
And the classic example, the one you've absolutely seen a million times, is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence. There's a reason it's on basically every charting platform. It brilliantly combines two of the most critical market elements. So how does it pull off this magic trick? It's actually beautiful in its simplicity. As you can see here, it starts by tracking two different moving averages, one short-term, one long-term. That gives it a sense of the trend. Then, it measures the gap between them. And this is the crucial part. That gap is basically a stand-in for momentum. When the gap gets wider, momentum is strong. When it narrows, that trend might be running out of gas. See? It's not just two lines on a chart. It's a dynamic story of trend fighting against momentum.
But what if you could take it even further? What if you could capture an entire market ecosystem, not just in one number, but in one single chart? Let's take a look. And this is where a system like the Ichimoku cloud comes in. And I'm calling it a system on purpose. It's not just an indicator. It's a whole visual framework designed to give you a complete market view in a single glance.
What's so amazing here is just how much information is packed onto one chart. It's not just showing you the trend, it's actually projecting future areas of support and resistance. And that shaded area, the cloud itself, that's the real genius. It represents a dynamic zone of equilibrium. Prices above the cloud, sentiment's bullish. Below it, bearish. And if the price is inside the cloud, well, that signals indecision. It gives you so much more context than a simple line ever could. The Ichimoku system is incredibly powerful, but you still have to do a lot of interpreting. So the next evolution, this takes us to the absolute cutting edge, the synergy of human insight and raw machine power. This is where analysis becomes less of a manual chore and more like a partnership with technology. The real game changer here is something called multi-factor models. These systems don't just combine a few indicators, they intelligently weigh dozens of them in real time based on what's actually working in the market right now. This quote right here perfectly captures the philosophy. The goal is not to sum signals, but to harmonize them. You're not just throwing buy and sell signals in a bucket and hoping for the best. You're creating a coherent, harmonized picture where every piece of data confirms and strengthens the others. And this isn't just some theory, The most advanced trading platforms today are built on this exact philosophy of harmonizing huge amounts of data to create real clarity. So here's kind of how a system like this works. It starts by taking in all the critical inputs we've been talking about, just floods of data on trend, momentum, volatility, and volume from all kinds of different sources. Then, it feeds all of this into an AI-powered analytical engine. And this is where it gets super smart. This engine uses machine learning to constantly figure out which indicators are the most reliable under the current market conditions. So in a choppy sideways market, it might automatically give more weight to momentum oscillators. In a strong trend, it might lean harder on trend-following signals. It's always adapting. And the output? After all of that incredible complexity, it gets distilled down into a single composite index. A clear, adaptive score that just cuts through the noise and gives you one coherent, data-driven vision of the market's health. What this all adds up to is nothing short of the future of technical analysis. It's all about finding profound clarity in what used to be overwhelming and, let's be honest, often contradictory complexity.
And let's be really, really clear about something. The goal here isn't to replace your skill or your intuition as a trader. It's to amplify it. Think of it like giving your gut feeling a powerful quantitative framework to back it up, making your decisions that much sharper and more objective.
This right here is the ultimate takeaway. The future of analysis is all about this transformation, turning a fire hose of complex data into simple, actionable clarity. So the final question is really for you. When all the noise is filtered out and the market signals are finally harmonized into one clear picture, what new opportunities are you going to be able to see?